In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Morgen calendar to organize your events, tasks, and schedule all in one place. This tool is a fantastic way to streamline your planning and ensure that everything you need to get done is right at your fingertips. Let's dive in and explore how to set this up effectively. First things first, you'll want to open up Morgen and connect your calendar accounts. This step is crucial because it allows all your events to appear in one central location, providing a comprehensive view of what's coming up. Whether you use Google Calendar, Outlook, or another platform, integrating your accounts is seamless and sets the foundation for more efficient planning. Once you've got your calendars synced, it's time to start adding events or tasks. Simply double-click or tap a time slot in the calendar. Doing this opens up a new entry where you can input all the necessary details. Be sure to add a clear title, specify the date and time, and include any other information pertinent to that event or task. When you're done, hit Save to secure it in your schedule. A powerful feature of Morgen is its drag-and-drop capability. It's helpful for time blocking, a fantastic technique for managing your day more effectively. Just drag a task from your task list straight into your calendar. This visual representation of your task at a specific time helps ensure you allocate sufficient time for each item on your to-do list. Viewing flexibility is another highlight of Morgen. You can switch between different views like day, week, or month depending on how you prefer to plan. Day view might be great if you want a detailed schedule, while month view can give you a better long-term perspective. Customization is key to staying organized, and Morgen provides several options. Use color coding or create calendar sets for different areas of your life, such as work, personal, or any other category you need. Not only does this make your calendar visually appealing, but it also helps you quickly distinguish between different types of tasks and events. Inevitably, plans change, and Morgen makes it easy to adjust. If you need to edit or delete an item, simply select it and choose Edit or Delete. This feature allows you to easily update your schedule as you go. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Morgen calendar to plan your time more effectively. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into task integration and explore the exciting time blocking features. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.